merong exciting na update si Google Workspace. Pero feeling ko matagal na to. Pero ngayon ko lang siya napansin. Kasi yung Google Calendar ko, paid siya na Google Calendar. Or yung Google Workspace ko is paid kasi for business. So ever since meron akong appointment schedule. So kaya ko din siya binili kasi meron siyang appointment schedule. Appointment schedule meaning pwede kang gumawa ng links na naisisan mo kung sino man gusto makipag-meeting sa'yo, and then pipili na lang sila kung ano yung available slots na meron ka for that day. So anyway, dati sa Calendly lang yon. Ngayon, meron na siya, nagkaroon si Google Calendar ng appointment schedule. So bumili ako. And then nalaman ko when I was just doing my bootcamp last week na meron na rin pala siya sa free version. So ito, I will show you kung paano. Panalo. This is my favorite feature of Google Workspace talaga. Wait, hold on. Let me show you. Okay, so ito yung Google Calendar mo, no? So dito sa Create, yung click mo lang yun sa drop-down, and then makikita mo, ayan, appointment schedule. Dati, para lang magkaroon ka ng appointment link or schedule ng mga open slots mo, kailangan lang gumamit ka ng Calendly. Ngayon, hindi mo na kailangan gamitin yun. Dito na within Google Workspace. Tapos meron pa tong isang update. My God, na nakakaloka. So, i-click mo yung appointment schedule, tapos bubukas yan dito. Mamili ka kung ano yung dates. Tapos, ayan, etong blue part, yan, yung blue part na yan yung mga appointment slots. So, pwede mong i-adjust yan dito. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust dito. Tapos, kunyari, lagi lang natin sample meeting slots. So, pwede ka mamili kung ano lang yung days na gusto mo. Kunyari, gusto mo, ano lang, Tuesday, Thursday ka lang magmi-meeting between 9 a.m. to 12 lang. Yan. Tapos, i-copy natin. Copy to all. 9 a.m. to 12 lang siya. Los Angeles, kunyari, Pacific Time is client mo. And then yung schedule window, how long in advance pwedeng mag-schedule. Tapos, ilang hours yung pinaka-latest. Tapos, pwede mo rin i-change yung date availability. Kunyari, gusto mo lang hanggang 30 lang. Hanggang June 30 lang pwede maging available. Ganyan. Or June 30 ka unavailable. Yung mga ganyan. So, pwede mo siyang i-adjust ng ganyan. And then, yung appointment settings, ano yung buffer time mo in between. Let's say, gusto mo merong, ayun, pag tinignan mo, nag-a-adjust din siya dyan. Kanina, di ba, ang dami niyan. Ngayon, konti na lang. Pag gusto mo ng 15 minutes lang, adjust mo lang siya to 15 minutes. Ayan, so nag-a-adjust siya na meron siyang buffer in between ng 15 minutes. So between 9 a.m. to 12, dalawang slots lang yung pwede mong i-take unless i-adjust mo yung slots. Let's say gusto mo ang meeting mo lang instead of 1 hour, take to 30 minutes lang. So ayan, makikita mo, dadagdag ngayon with 15 minutes interval in between. So ganun siya ka-amazing. And then pag hinit mo yung next, pwede ka magkaroon ng photo and name, pwede kang location, so let's say gusto mo ng Google Meet lang automatic, and then kung gusto mo ng may description, kung gusto mo ng merong form sila na kailangang sagutan, pwede mong gamitin yan, and then kung gusto mo na may payment, pwede mo rin gamitin, pero this is in yung may paid, so dito papapasok yung paid version. Ako may paid version. And then confirmation reminders, pwede mo rin siyang ilagyan, and then when you hit save, ayan yung meeting slots na lalabas. So, ang gagawin mo lang dyan is, pag shinare mo, kunyari, open booking page. Yan yung makikita ng mga makikipag-meet sa'yo. Yan, isisend mo lang sa kanila yung link, tapos ayan, mamimili na sila kung anong slots ka available. Tapos pag kunyari, clinic nila yan, bubukas lang dyan. Tapos kung may form ka na kailangan nilang sagutan, sasagutan nila. Ganun siya kung amazing. Pero meron pa siya isa pang magandang feature. Ito yung naka-integrate siya sa Gmail ng appointment schedule din. This is my favorite feature, as in super duper duper. Both for using it personally and using it for your client. So if yung client niya is naka-Gmail or naka-Google Workspace, pakita nyo sa kanya to. Especially if gumagamit pa sila ng Calendly. Ito yung parang hindi nila gamitin yung Calendly kasi naka-integrate na siya sa Google Workspace. At ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na feature. Hold on. So, ito, di ba, nandito na kayo sa Gmail ninyo. All you have to do is go dito sa slots ng more option, ito yung kapag nagsusulat kayo ng email, yung compose email. So, punta lang kayo dito na nakalagay more options. Click nyo lang yan and then makikita nyo tong nakalagay na set up time to meet. Yan. Set up time to meet. Nakita mo, ayan, new. Ito yung free free version to. Libre tong Google, yung Gmail ko na to. So, offer times that you are free. Just click on that. And then, ayan, wait lang. Let's skip that. Ayan. And then, ito siya. Lipat natin. Ayan, ilalabas niya ngayon yung calendar mo or calendar ng client mo. And then, makikita mo dito kung ano yung mga slots na available. So, currently, this is Sunday kasi naka-Eastern Standard Time ako. So, pwede mong i-click yung next day. Tapos, makikita mo kung ano yung meeting slots na available siya. This is, I believe, naka-Pacific Standard Time ako if I'm not mistaken. So, kunyari, ito yung time ng client mo. Pipiliin mo lang yan. Click mo yan. Click and then, ayan, mamimili ka lang ng slot. Kunyari, available siya from 9 to 12. Ida-drag mo lang, click and drop. Tapos yung slots na available niya, let's say 30 minutes meeting lang yan. And then, alam ko pwede mo i-edit yan eh. Yung sa availability. And then, eto, pwede ka pa mag-add ng date. So, kunyari, add ka ng date. Let's say, gusto mo rin ng Wednesday, ayan, 9 to, let's say, 12 pa din, same time slots. Tapos, add ka din ng, let's say, Friday. So, MWF, yung slots niya. Ayan, ganyan, o, diba? Perfect. So, 30 minutes yung slot, and then, you just hit on next. Tapos, pwede ka mag-add ng Google Meet conferencing kung pag Google na agad. You can have other items there. And then, you can add description. Tapos, ito yung maganda. Pag in-add to email mo yarn, ayan na siya. So, pag in-email mo to dun sa client mo, ayan na. Makikita na niya yung slots na available. Diba? Nakakaloka. Sobrang ganda. As in, I super duper love this feature. Pinag-aaralan ko pa ng todo tong feature na to just to make sure na makagawa ako ng mas detailed na tutorial. I will include that or add that in our online course as an updated module or a new module. So if hindi ka pa naka-enroll, just click the link in my bio to enroll. Kasi marami pang ganitong type of tutorials na nandoon na kompleto sa ating Google Workspace. And then katulad ng sinabi ko, if you are enrolled in this course, whatever updates na I will learn, whatever updates na I will include, as long as you are enrolled, marireceive mo yung access na yun or yung update na yun kasi you have lifetime access. For those who are watching na and currently enrolled in my course and you are still using Thinkific, I'll be sending you an update soon via an email to ask you to migrate to our new platform kasi medyo ang gulo na ni Thinkific ngayon. But meron na tayong bagong platform where we house our online course. So yeah, if you want to learn more, just click the link in my bio for that course. But if you want naman free tutorials, which I also do create, you can check out my YouTube channel for that. Everything is in the link in my bio.